So now dear student, now next topic is gas to liquid. Because in earlier topic we discussed solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Now gas back to liquid, right? Means this process is known as condensation. Means the process of reversing back or changing gas back into liquid on cooling. Remember, not on heating, because we are now in reverse process. Got the point? When you want to change solid to liquid, you have to heat. Liquid to gas, you have to heat. Now we are just coming back, means reversing the back process. Gas to liquid means you have to cool. Okay. So the process of changing gas back into liquid on cooling is said to be or called condensation. Means condensation is such a process in which gas change back into the liquid on cooling process is called condensation. So condensation, so we can write, so condensation is a reverse process, means just opposite process of evaporation or vaporization. Because in evaporation and vaporization we studied the conversion of liquid to gas, but in condensation we are studying the conversion of gas back into liquid. So condensation can be written the reverse or an opposite process of evaporation or boiling. So dear student, I think this definition has been cleared. What do you mean by condensation? Okay. Simply you have to remember the process of changing gas back into liquid on cooling is called condensation. So condensation is called reverse process or opposite process of evaporation or vaporization. Now here next last topic, now how to change back liquid to solid. It is known as freezing or solidification. Means the process of changing liquid back into solid is on cooling, here you have to add on cooling, not the heating, because we are in a reverse process, back process is called freezing or solidification. Okay, simply you have to remember conversion of liquid into solid on cooling method is called freezing or solidification. Means freezing and solidification process means same thing. The process of conversion of liquid back into solid on cooling method is called freezing or solidification. Now, so you can conclude here again, the freezing process or solidification is just reverse process of melting or fusion. Got the point? Because in melting or fusion we studied conversion of solid into liquid on heating, right? So in freezing or solidification we are studying the conversion of back liquid into the solid on cooling method. So these two processes are opposite or reverse process of each other. So here one example, the freezing point of water is 0 degrees C. Means question may come, what is freezing point? Then same definition you can define just like a boiling point and the melting point. Means the temperature at which the liquid freezes into the solid, that temperature is said to be its freezing point of that particular liquid. Means now freezing point of water is 0 degrees C. Means when you put the water at 0 degrees C, then that water freezes or converts into the solid state, that is the ice state. Remember dear friend, melting point of ice is 0 degrees C. Melting point of ice, not the water. Water doesn't melt, ice melts. So melting point of ice is 0 degrees C and freezing point of water is 0 degrees C. Means this temperature is same. Means you might have seen when you take the ice, you will get the some liquid portion also. Means your hand gets wetted exactly due to the freezing point. Means water is freezing at the same temperature, means 0 degrees C. So dear student, up to this topic I think you have been well clear. Means what is freezing, what is condensation and what is the freezing point of water, etc.